At Gutter Kleen, we are a group of honest, hard-working individuals who pride ourselves on being expert gutter cleaners with multiple Google 5-star reviews. Our safe, roofing and gutter cleaning services are done by certified professionals with 20 years of experience. Each gutter cleaning job is customized for each client to ensure quality work and quick service. When it comes to industrial vacuums, gutter vacuum systems, home or commercial roof cleaning, we have you covered. Our cleaning services include high or low pressure cleaning, soft washing, and chemical cleaning such as driveway cleaning and pathway washing, roof and gutter cleaning with powerful industrial gutter vacuum systems, concrete and brick cleaning and washing, residential render cleaning, graffiti removal from homes or businesses, paver and brick stain removal, mold, algae and fungus removal, solar panels, polycarbonate and fiberglass cleaning, industrial vacuuming, color bond and terracotta roof cleaning. Just choose the pressure cleaning services you need and let our team take care of the rest. Get it done once, get it done right, at Gutter Kleen. Call us now for a free quote at 0264009848 or visit our website at gutterkleen.com.au.